Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, find the measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon of 8 sides. As sum of the interior angle in a regular polygon is 180 into n minus 2, where n is the number of sides in the polygon. So, we can take the sum of the angles of a polygon of 8 sides is 180 into 8 minus 2. That is 180 into 6 means 1080 degrees. This is because sum of the interior angles in a regular polygon with n sides is 180 into n minus 2. Now, measure of each angle equals to sum of its angles divided by number of sides. Hence, measure of each interior angle of a polygon of 8 sides is given by sum of the angles is 1080 divided by number of sides is 8. So it is 135 degrees.